everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And today's doll is Manuhelii Paradise Girl. I just call her Paradise Girl. I think I'm saying that correctly. Manuhelii. I looked it up. So I believe that is Hawaiian. And she is a very special release. She was a Grail doll of mine. And you can see she's wearing a white dress. This is not any of her stock. I did get her new in box years ago. She was around for a while before I got her. I did not get her back when she was released in September of 2010. I was not collecting Blythe dolls at that point in time. I didn't start collecting them until 2015. But I have her in a white dress and white stockings, even though she isn't super dark skinned, but she's a very special girl, and I want to make sure she never gets stained or anything happens to her. So she spends a lot of time in the curio, put it that way. Poor girl. I mean, I guess I should take her out and play with her some more, but I ended up being able to find her at a fairly decent price, still kind of on the pricey side, and I remember I actually sold a number of dolls so I could buy her, but she was a Grail doll of mine that I finally got. She's wearing some earrings that I just happen to have around that fit her, and like I said, this dress, I got this off of CC Toys. They have some beautiful clothes, beautiful doll clothes over there. And this is just a little bit of netting that I cut and made into, and then tied it there to make it into a hairband. So let me tell you a little bit about her. She has crazy long hair, very thick. I would say out of all my dolls, Blythe dolls, she has the thickest hair I've ever seen. It's side parted. Their color, they're calling it is chestnut. And if you get on the Blythe app, you can find out all the details. But she has an RBL face mold, chestnut hair. Her skin tone, they're just calling it dark. They just say dark. She has all special eye chips. So she's wearing her, with these are side chips. So let me get my glasses on here. I think these are gray. Yeah, she has dark gray eye chips. Okay, that's one pair. And then she has these front-facing, these are supposed to be light gray, front special. They look more brown to me than gray, honestly, but that's what it says. And then these gorgeous turquoise. Ooh, I should leave these on her. Oh my goodness, those are beautiful. And then the front dark green. Yeah, those are dark green. Almost, it's kind of a bluish green now. Now I wonder if these are the gray and the others are the maybe these are front special gray. Huh. I don't know. It seems gray green to me. That looks more like brown. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think now that I think about it. I haven't looked at her in a while, other than just admiring her from afar in my curio. So her clothing that she came with originally, she actually had a number of clothing items, and I do have those stashed away. Maybe I'll show a video of those at some point. Again, you know, I do have the original unboxing of her on my channel. But she came with a dress, like a little green sundress. It's really cute. And then a blouse. It's an off-the-shoulder orange blouse, and some shorts, sunglasses, sandals, earrings, and underwear. And her earrings are these like round ones. They're supposed to be like hoop earrings, but they kind of stick out. But I thought they don't really stay in that well. Like if you put them on her, she basically can't move. So, but like I said, she just kind of stays in my curio a lot. But I really love her. She's a beautiful doll. She's always kind of dressed in something special, and she looks gorgeous. I love her skin tone, gorgeous hair, a tad dry on the end. Probably, you know, I would say it's kind of on the long side, obviously. Again, she's one of those dolls that you kind of, their hair's so long that they can tip over really easily. But I adore her. Paradise Girl's one of my faves. Let's put those blue eye chips on her again. There we go. Yeah, now we're dealing with it. Look at that. So let me know what you guys think of Paradise Girl. If you have any Grail dolls of your own you'd like to get someday, let me know in the comments. As usual, give us a thumbs up. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.